No!
Hand them over.
Do you know what?
Won't you? This time around, we're not playing for money, we're playing to win presents. Which means that the big present belongs to these properties here, the green and blue. This present belongs to red and yellow. This one to orange and pink, and this one to brown and light blue. So the way you claim the presents is if you land in any of those properties in those sections. If you go to jail, you have to give the present back if you've already claimed one. Okay?
There.
Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Oh!
Ball first.
Okay. Oh!
Oh!
There we go. Oh, heavy.
Thanks.
Oh! I didn't even get a present! Okay.
No! Oh, I've already taken mine.
Yes!
Ah, you did it! Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Oh! Oh, yeah, jail!
Oh, thank you very much. Ta-da! No!
Oh! Hand them over, baby. Hand them over. Hand them over.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh! And you got the big one as well!
Oh, yes, baby.
No way!
Let's get going.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh! Alright, that's yours. Go on then. Should we go for free parking? And whoever wins that claims all the presents.
Deal. Let's do it. Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
let's do this. Oh, not enough power, but I'm in your way.
Oh, yeah, you're blocking.
No, off the board, off the board. Get out of my way.
Rapid.
Oh no!
Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Oh, heart was in the mouth. Oh, you completely blocked it. It's my last one.
You could go this way and then hit your hat one.
Oh, shit. Do you know what? Oh, no.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Santa was good to me because I was good to share. Thank you very much.
Clearly I wasn't.
You ready? Mm-hmm. So the loser does a marathon. Let's play Drop Trivia.
Welcome to Drop Trivia. Let's play. Round 1. Enter the card code. Card code entered. Purple, pink, blue, yellow. Release the puck. Team 1, press the start button to begin your turn. Team 1, you have 60 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how you did.
Yes. Oh. 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 Oh.
Team 2, press the start button to begin your turn. Let's see how you did.
20/20 vision, baby.
Team 2 wins.
Yes!
Okay, so here we have Jenga, which is like my favorite game. However, I am really good at it, so I thought we could shake things up a little bit. Whoever wins has to tidy up everything with both mittens on.
Just made a fun game fun. This is ridiculous. I think I've seen my next one. Nah, not that one. Nah, not that one.
No, I am gonna go for my gut. Yep, knew it. I mean, I can't really help you because I want to win, so. Right, here you go, my friend.
Thank you
Put that
so much.
on.
Let's go. I literally feel like a puppeteer.
Oh, sorry. Are you still here?
Yeah, it's only been 2 hours. That's fine.
Have fun.
Thank you. Oh, come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes.
Pick a person.
Yep, done. Does your character have anything man-made on them, such as hat, earring, glasses, scarf?
No.
No. Great start.
Does your person have blue eyes?
No.
That just eliminated a few.
Is your person female?
Yeah.
Is your character Farah?
What?
Yeah,
Why
right?
did you do that? Wow.
go.
No, let's go again. Pick your
person.
Job done. Your character. Does the first letter in their name fall between A and F?
Yeah, it does.
Another strong start.
Does your character wear a hat?
No.
I would be scared if I were you.
Is your character Ben?
Sorry?
Is your character Ben?
You've asked 3 questions!
Yeah.
Babe, how'd you do that? Can you teach me?
Sure. Firstly, ask a broad question, then try and get another kind of like the male and female question. Think outside the box.
Oh, you are clever, hey? But now that I know your tactic, let's go for a third game.
Let's do it.
Hi. So I've got like 10 minutes before work.
Fine, yeah. Okay, let's go. Right, do you want to go first?
You go first. Oh, it's gonna win. Ooh. Side one. Ooh, nice.
Great game.
Wobbly wobbly. But you're actually really good. No, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. Oh. Oh. Right, come on. Oh.
Oh, that was amazing. What have you planned for my birthday?
Can't answer that question. My maximum squat in the gym.
115.
No. Okay, what colour do you get if you mix yellow and purple?
Brown.
I think it is brown.
It
but
is
I'm
brown.
Not, I'm not really sure. Oh! That was...
Okay, so today we are back to create another epic Hero Quest craft. I'm here at Josh's workshop and he has something really cool in store. What have you designed?
So right here I have designed for portable organizer.
Ooh, sounds cool.
Yeah, so not only does the top open, but also has storage in the sides for extra miniatures.
Looks amazing. Let's get started. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out.
Definitely.
All right, Josh, so you have all your pieces ready. What's the next step?
Just take all these pieces I just cut and assemble them, which is my favorite part.
Cool. Okay, you'll make the tiny boxes to go into the organizer.
Yes.
Nice. All right, while you do that, I'm going to go paint my miniatures. Hey Josh, my miniatures are ready and painted. And here is the fabric that you asked for.
Fantastic. So now we're done using the laser. We have our cut acrylic sheet. I'm going to assemble this using super glue, and after that we'll have nice acrylic sheet card holders. Okay, so it's been 12 hours. The foam has expanded around the miniatures inside. So we'll get to see how it turns out. Cut it open. And yeah, this is the first time I've tried this, so I can't wait to see it.
Wow, Josh, this organizer came out so good. The miniatures look so good in the red velvet, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely. It was a lot of fun to make this.
Yeah, I know. It was super cool, and I can't wait to take it to our next Hero Quest game. Good job.
Thanks.
What do you guys think that we should make next time? See ya!